Organic boost. Hey there, as we are into mixed farming, for today let's boost our onions organically using manure provided by nature from our livestock. And I'm so excited to share with you as we are adding rich organic manure to our onion field to ensure they get all the nutrients they need to grow big and healthy. Watch as we carefully spread this natural fertilizer, enriching the soil and giving our onions the best start possible. On this other side, we are done spreading manure and we have already set up our rain tube irrigation system. As you can see, we are watering our newly fertilized field. Stay tuned for more uploads as we will show you the progress of our onions over the coming weeks. You won't believe the difference this organic manure and rain tube irrigation will make. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time and a happy farming.